So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to switch between desktops in Windows 11. So to do that, you guys will need to come in your taskbar and you can see this option right here if you have the Windows 11 only. So to do this in the different versions of Windows, you need to find it in the settings. Now just select right here and you can create a new desktop just like your previous one, and just like this you can switch between your desktops like this. You can also go with the desktop one, and you guys can also rename your desktop by just clicking the right button and select this rename option. Now you can rename it for anything like boss. So just like this, you can also move your window in the left by selecting this move left button. You can see the desk 2 is now here and the boss window is now here. So just like this, you guys can be able to do this in your PC. And that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.